In this video, I'll detail how to fix app missing from iPhone home screen. So if you find any app you frequently use but couldn't find it on your iPhone home screen, that will mean that the app is missing. But this doesn't mean or implies that you've removed or deleted the application completely from your iPhone. So here, I'm going to basically show you how you can easily fix app missing on your iPhone home screen. So if you don't know this video, you found this video helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. If the application is a pre-installed application like the Gmail application, you can see I do not have the Gmail application here. You can easily add the app back to your iPhone home screen by going to the app library, and on the app library page, search for the app. Then once you can see the name of the app, press and hold the app and then drag it. So you can just drag this back to the home screen on your iPhone. So I'm just going to drag this to my iPhone home screen. You see that? Then that's going to make the application available again. Then another way you can use to restore apps that's missing on your iPhone home screen is go to your iPhone settings. On the settings page, scroll down and you want to select screen time. Then scroll down, click on content and privacy restrictions. Turn on content and privacy restrictions if this is disabled. Then once that is turned on, you need to make sure that the app is a built-in app. Then go to allow apps and features. Then locate the application here and make sure the application is not turned off. If the application is turned off just like this, you discover that the Safari app will be missing on my iPhone. Then if I come back and turn this on, then you're gonna see the Safari apps on my iPhone again. Or if you come here and then disable your FaceTime, come back, you no longer have access to FaceTime on your iPhone. Then if you come back here and then enable FaceTime, after a couple of seconds, the FaceTime application will come up. You see that? So that is how you can easily fix app missing on iPhone home screen on our exiting. So if you found this video informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.